Hey ma'am and sir, my name is Divine May Quecho. I am 30 years old from Magsinga, Lalo, Cagayan, Philippines. I am happily married and blessed, three children's ages 12, 8, and 2. My husband is a delivery rider. My father is a tricycle driver and my mother is a housewife. I have two brothers and one sister. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. I am a Christian. And my hobbies are cleaning, reading, singing, and taking care of children. And I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple, and 2 children. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, doing the laundry, cooking Filipino foods, wash the dishes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my family. Since sir and ma'am, I am a first-timer working in Hong Kong. I am willing to be trained. I am a fast learner. I can also take care of newborn baby. I can offer tutorial for your children, like teaching them on how to read and write. I can also sing nursery rhyme like Wheels on the Bus. I am willing to learn on how to cook your favorite dishes. I am willing to take care elderly. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm a hard work. I'm a hard working. I have a long patience and I can take care of your family as my own family. Thank you and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.